Hey there, everybody. This is Keith Campbell, Chairman of the Board at Mannington, and welcome to Surfaces Live. Hey, 102 years Mannington's been in business, and here we are live on Facebook. Russell, what do you think?
I'm excited, Keith. Welcome to Surfaces, everyone. We're excited for what we've got to introduce this year, as well as the rest of our plans for 2018. We have a lot of great introductions in all of our product lines, from LVT to WPC, wood, laminate, sheet vinyl, as well as all of our commercial hard surfaces. We're all here ready, willing, and able to take those orders in. With that, I'll turn it over to Ed Duncan, the president of our residential business, to talk a little bit more about our booth.
Hey, thanks, Russell. We're very excited. This is our 28th Surfaces in a row, and as everybody knows, this is our big show for the year, where we're here to lay out all of our new products. We've got new introductions into a Duramax Apex. We've got some great new products going into restoration. Out of our hardwood line, we've got some of our new wide long products out of High Point, as well as herringbone. And right here behind us, we've got really one of the stars is new introductions into our Revive collection. Just a great product out of our sheet vinyl plant in Salem. And a special shout out to all of our friends in Salem today.
Hey, it's snowing there. What is it, 72 here? Sorry about that.
And with that, let me turn it over to Zack here.
Thanks, Ed. Very excited for the show. This is the Super Bowl of the flooring industry, and we're pumped. I want to send out a special invitation to any retailers that are new to the business, new to Surfaces, or may just not know Mannington. Please do come by the booth, 1309. Get to know the Mannington team. Come see everything we have to offer. It is really a great offering. I guarantee you and promise you, you won't be disappointed.
Okay, we have just a few more minutes before the doors open and people start streaming in. I want to thank you all for being part of this momentous occasion here at Surfaces. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you. Thank you.